In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a workspace in Notion. If you're no longer using a shared workspace or want to keep your account organized, this only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. Open Notion and switch to the workspace you want to leave. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you're a member of more than one. Next, click Settings in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. In the Settings menu, stay on the General tab and scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone section. Here, you'll see the Leave Workspace option. Click it, then read the confirmation message carefully. If you're sure you want to leave, click Leave Workspace again to confirm. After a few moments, Notion will remove you from that workspace, and it will no longer appear in your workspace list. If you ever need access again, a workspace owner or another member with permission can invite you back. That's how to leave a workspace in Notion. Thanks for watching.